KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make this amazing artichoke dip. It's real quick and easy to do. Let's get on with it. This is perfect for a festive season or a game day. Right, food processor. Just get that out, and I've got some artichokes in brine. Now, if you want to use artichokes in oil, that is absolutely fine, and it is actually my preferred way to go. I'm going to add a couple of those in, maybe 3, maybe 4 little artichoke hearts that can go straight in like that. Alright, nice and simple. Now, a little dash of extra virgin olive oil, probably around about a tablespoon's worth. That's all it needs, just to make a nice little type salad dressing. Okay, now I'm going to add in a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Now, normally I would use a freshly ground, but I've got this left over from another recipe, so I'm using that plastic stuff that you buy from the supermarket. Around about 2 tablespoons worth going in there. Now, here I've got a little bit of cream cheese. I'm going to add in probably 3 to 4 tablespoons worth. They can go in just like that, and that's going to give us a really nice creamy type flavor. Now, what we're going to do now is add in around about the same again of some sour cream once my hands come back into view. So I'm going to add in a good couple of dollops of sour cream, and that's going to give it a little bit of that tartness that we want. Now, this ends up being nice and sweet and sour in its flavor, but let's go to our most unusual ingredient yet, and yes, you can buy it from your local supermarket or your Asian grocery, and that is around about 1/3 of a cup's worth of fried shallot. Okay, usually use that in Asian cooking, but it works with this particular dip. It gives it a little bit of texture and gives it that mad little flavor. Give that a blitz around about 30 to 45 seconds worth in your food processor, and before you know it, you're going to have one of the best tasting dips ever. It is so simple and so tasty. Alright, I'd like to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video or not, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. I'm trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you're notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make something quick, simple for game day, depending on whatever sport you follow, or even a festive event, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, off to my artichoke dip, and I will catch you next time. Bye.